To apply blue high contrast theme on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Tap high contrast theme and then select blue thumbnail. If it's the first time for you from using this theme, you have to download it first by tapping download button. Wait until the download process to be finished. Next, tap apply to start applying this theme on your phone. Now your phone is using blue high contrast theme. The enable buttons are now using blue as its color. The enable switches and selected options are now also using blue as its color. This theme, or we can call it as the night sky theme, provide a clear contrast interface where light color content on a dark background provide high readability and visibility, helping those with low vision or elders to use the phone effectively. As a note, while this theme is being used, your phone will always use a dark background, thus the option to enable light mode will not work. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.